in this video I'm showing you how to make orange apple custard slice cake. How gorgeous does this bloody cake look? Oh, talk about delicious. And of course, here is me trying some. Scrumdiddlyumptious. So you're going to follow my lemon blender cake in my last reel for the ingredients. Here I am using the orange for this one, with the addition of 1 cup of coconut and 100 grams of melted butter. I'm going to bake for 12 minutes in a 180 degree oven. Here I've made some custard. You'll need apples as well, and nutmeg. Once baked for 12 minutes, you are going to layer your custard and then your apples and sour cream and sprinkle with some sugar and nutmeg. And then you're going to bake for a further 24 minutes. You could use a different fruit if you like, but this one was the idea that I had today. And talk about delicious. This cake is a bit time consuming, but it is well worth the wait. Here I am sprinkling the nutmeg. I love nutmeg. So delicious. And there it is, ready for the oven and out of the oven, just like that. Baked and gorgeous looking. Thanks guys. Enjoy. Let me know if you make this cake.